like I mentioned, my sister Faythe is an Irish dancer, so it kind of ties in with that. You know, her dream is to be on Riverdance one day. So it's kind of like even though it's an Irish production, it's more of like a Spanish-sounding song because a flamenco dancer is dancing during that time. So yeah.
And you've kind of arranged it yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not big on reading music or anything like that, you know.
Yes.
So so you know, I try to do it by ear. So here we go.